Good morning, students. So, how are you all?
Good morning, ma'am. I'm fine.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning.
So, how was the first class? And welcome to your first day of college.
Thank you, ma'am.
So,
Ma'am,
feeling
good.
excited?
Yes, ma'am.
That is wonderful.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So, I'll just give you a brief introduction, right? आज हम कुछ ऐसे we are not going to start with the syllabus, सिर्फ देखेंगे कि syllabus क्या है and how we are going to approach it, right? And secondly, don't worry if this is an English class, yes, but I'm going to speak in Hindi, I'm going to speak in Punjabi as well. ਕਿਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਗੱਲ ਸਮਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਦੱਸ ਦਿਓ ਕਿ ਮੈਮ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਚ ਰਿਪੀਟ ਕਰ ਦਿਓ ਜਾਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਹਿੰਦੀ ਚ ਰਿਪੀਟ ਕਰ ਦਿਓ, right? So I hope everybody is comfortable with Hindi, English and Punjabi, right?
Ma'am, Hindi comfortable.
अच्छा, more comfortable with Hindi. So कुछ कोई ऐसा तो नहीं
Actually,
है
I'm not.
जिसको, हाँ जी,
Actually, I'm not understand Punjabi.
oh you're unable to understand Punjabi, no problem, right? So हिंदी तो सबको समझ आती है, true?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, wonderful. हाँ जी प्रभजोत, ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਆਵਾਜ਼ ਆਈ ਨਹੀਂ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਚਾਹੇ ਚੈਟ ਵਿੱਚ ਲਿਖ ਦਿਓ, ਰਾਈਟ, ਜੋ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਸੀਗਾ। तो बच्चे
No,
just
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. ही बोला।
okay, that's okay. वो थोड़ा जा I think maybe the signal issue. So बच्चे just one basic rule for my classes. If you are unable to attend the class at times, it could be signal नहीं ठीक, light चली गई, कुछ भी issue है, right? कोई आपको जरूरी काम है, just inform me, right? So let me know कि मैम I am not like कि मेरे end पे signal की problem है या मैं कोई जरूरी काम में I am just stuck there. So let me know that why you won't be able to attend the class. So that I know कि अच्छा if the student is absent, why or he or she was absent, right? I won't scold you. Of course, you are in college, you are grown ups, you know, right? You know better than me about what you should be doing and you should not be doing. ठीक है, तो उसमें I am not going to go into that, but I really like to be informed. And also कई बार जब सिग्नल इशू होता है, सही सिग्नल इशू मेरे एंड पे भी हो सकता है, आपके एंड पे भी हो सकता है, राइट? अगर मेरे एंड पे होगा, लेट मी नो, आप चैट में बता दो कि मैम आपकी आवाज क्लियरली नहीं आ रही, ठीक है? अगर मुझे होगा, आई लेट यू नो, एंड chats actually it really helps to maintain the communication despite the bad signal at times, right? Also, if we are discussing something in the class, you feel free to answer, unmute yourself, answer. Or if you don't want to answer by, let's say, speaking out the whatever you have in mind, you can write it in the chat as well. कई बार होता है, understand you are all at home, right? So you're surrounded by family at times, कई बार background noise बहुत बहुत होता है, no problem, आप chat में answer कर दो, ठीक है? So very simple, nothing कुछ इतना वो नहीं मैंने बताना था, this is just one basic rule, right? I am sure you know about attendance criteria, what is required. So we have this basic minimum of 75%, right? And depending on your percentage, your attendance, so you get your internal assessment, right? So we can go into the details later. So आज हम पहले सिर्फ syllabus check करते हैं कि आपका syllabus क्या है। अच्छा
Ma'am, book
बच्चे,
भी issue कर देना group में.
क्या कर दूं बेटा?
Ma'am, book actually आप book issue
ओके,
कर देना
यस यस, बुक में
group
आपको
में.
ग्रुप में ना ग्रुप बुक की पिक्चर शेयर कर दूंगी, ठीक है? जौन सी आपने यूज करनी है, रेफर करनी है आपने अपने लिए। वैसे आपके
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
मोस्टली आपकी ना सारी मोस्ट ऑफ द बुक्स आर फ्रॉम लेट्स से द ईगल पब्लिकेशंस होंगी, आपको भी मैथ्स के सर ने बताई होगी, डॉक्टर दिलबाज ने, राइट? सो इवन फॉर इंग्लिश यू हैव
Yes,
फ्रॉम द
ma'am.
सेम. And a good idea would be wait for all the teachers to tell you the books and then you can just go once and get them from the books market, right?
मिल जाएगी
क्या कह रहे हो बेटा?
मैम, क्योंकि आप एडमिशन ले रहे हैं मैम, तब मैंने ना कि लाइब्रेरी से
लाइब्रेरी में इसकी आई थिंक है कॉपीज, 2 या 3 कॉपीज हैं, you can come and ask them, right? If you want to borrow it from the library, then you can come over, you'll have to come to the college and ask. All right, okay, so let's take a
मैम,
look at
लेकिन
this.
अभी कार्ड नहीं बना। मैम
Oh, yes.
लाइब्रेरी का कार्ड
हाँ, कार्ड भी पहले आपको बनवाना पड़ेगा, मेंबरशिप कार्ड. So whenever you are planning to come, just call the library or the office, ask about the requirements for your membership card so that you have this is whatever you need, you know, maybe a picture or your admission slip, so you can get that along. एक बार आप call करके आना, that will be a good idea, right? Okay, so I
Okay,
hope
ma'am.
the syllabus is visible to all. Hanji, yes. So this
Yes,
is
yes ma'am.
the syllabus for the first semester, right? So these are what we are going to aim at. That is, you know, that working on your pronunciation, right? So that you are able to communicate without any hassles. You are able to write better. You are able to listen better, and also you are able to read using different techniques. And basic idea क्या है कि हमने अब आपकी conversation पे work करना है, आपकी communication पे work करना है. No doubt you are going to be engineers tomorrow, right? आपका सारा work ज़्यादा technical होगा, but if you are unable to express yourself or say what you want to say, तो आपकी जो knowledge है ना, you are unable to, you know, share it with the world, right? So this is why we have this subject in your course, and it's a compulsory subject. Why? Because the Punjab State, you know, Technical Education Board also feels that इतना तो सबको आना चाहिए, right? So that अभी टाइम है कि आप अपने वर्क कर सकें, आप नोटिस करोगे तो सिलेबस इज वेरी प्रैक्टिकल, कुछ उसमें ऐसे फालतू एक्स्ट्रा चीजें नहीं है, देर ऑल वेरी यूजफुल टॉपिक्स, right? So if we talk about the first one, it is basics of communication, right? So we are going to talk about the process of communication. Now communication in very simple words is receiving and sending a message, right? If somebody sends a message, you receive it and you understand it, that is communication. So हम इसकी सारी types भी देखेंगे, formal, informal, oral and written, verbal and non-verbal. Then we will be discussing the objectives, the essentials, channels of communication and barriers to communication as well, right? Then talking about functional grammar and vocabulary. So we have parts of speech, again very basic. If I remember, some of you were there in the English language classes that we were having in June, July, right? So आपको पता होगा कि we discussed parts of speech. Otherwise, if you were not there, don't worry. ये हम फिर से एक बार detail में करेंगे. Then we are going to discuss articles, use of various tenses, active and passive voice, synonyms and antonyms, pair of words, and correction of incorrect sentences. All right. So far it's all good. कुछ ज़्यादा complicated तो नहीं लग रहा? Then we will have listening, which is meaning and process of listening, importance of listening, methods to improve listening skills. So बच्चे जो मैंने like so far what I have seen is that you get a very simple exam. It's nothing too complicated, right? आपका बहुत ही मतलब easy questions आते हैं, कोई मुश्किल नहीं आते हैं, कोई इसमें टेंशन लेने वाली बात नहीं है. If you are regular to the classes, आपको ना automatically सब समझ भी आएगा, right? बाकी from my end, whatever I feel, if I need to share practice worksheets, ठीक है, मैं आपको काफी सारी practice worksheets दूंगी ताकि आपकी ना तैयारी क्लास में ही हो जाए, आपको अलग से इसको टाइम ना देना हो, because I understand the other subjects are more intensive, they need more time, right? Then we are going to discuss speaking as well, that is importance and methods to improve speaking. Then we will be discussing various reading techniques, ठीक है? You will notice that there is not just one technique, but there are multiple techniques. All right. Then we are going to talk about comprehension, vocabulary enrichment, grammar exercises. So within this we have ये थोड़ा सा literature वाला part है. So you have these short stories and we have these 3 poems. I am sure आपने शायद कभी ये poets के नाम जरूर सुने होंगे, even if you have not read these poems as such. Then we are going to have this unit about writing, which will have significance and effectiveness of writing. Again, a bit discussion on that. You'll be required to write a paragraph of 100 to 120 words or a picture composition, guided composition, right? So let's take a look at the practicals as well. As you notice in your timetable, we have a practical class as well for English. ठीक है, तो इसमें self and peer introduction will be there. Then looking up words in a dictionary. Again, this is just to promote कि आप rather than कि आप कोई difficult words पढ़ते हो या आप कोई new word पढ़ते हो, आप उसको वैसे ही छोड़ दो या आप उसके context से उसका meaning समझने की कोशिश करो कि ये कहाँ पे line में आ रहा है, तो इसका possibly क्या meaning होगा, right? Other than that, we have to make this habit of consulting the dictionary. So I'll recommend that it is a good idea अगर आप अपने smartphones में ही कोई ना कोई dictionary वाली app download कर लो. There is, I believe, Oxford, then there is Merriam-Webster, whichever you feel comfortable using, you may just download that. So as whenever you're reading something, whether on the internet or in your books, आप अपनी dictionary को भी साथ के साथ consult करो. कोई भी ऐसे unfamiliar word को वैसे मत छोड़ो. Right? Now you would say कि इतने words के meanings याद कैसे रहेंगे? चलो, even if you are able to remember 1 or 2 odd words, that is also good rather than remembering nothing, isn't it? आप एक आधा new word सीख रहे हो, वो भी काफी है. And then whenever you're writing, अगर आपको उसका meaning याद रहेगा, you'll make an effort to use it as well. Then we'll be discussing newspaper reading. Then just a minute session, which is extempore. Now extempore is unprepared speech, जिसकी आप पहले कोई preparation नहीं करते, right? So extempore में do you remember school में भी होता था extempore? तो इसमें क्या होता है? You're given a topic, you're given a few minutes, like let's say 5 minutes to think about the topic and prepare something to speak on it, and then you get a limited time to speak on that particular topic, right? So in one of the lab classes, we'll try to do this as well. Then we have situational conversation and role play. Again, we are going to take a look at different कोई भी different situation है, जैसे आपकी office की कोई situation होगी. Maybe you are calling somebody to ask about the services, right? So one of you can be the person who's receiving the call, the other one can be the client or the customer. And इसके भी हम क्या conversation में आप phrases use कर सकते हो, हम उस सब पे discussion करेंगे. Then I'll try to find recorded any any short stories for listening comprehension as well. Then greetings for different occasions, improving pronunciation through tongue twisters, right? So again, this syllabus is quite interesting, right? So I hope you are also eager to learn and start with the classes. आज नहीं करेंगे, we'll start from the next class. Today we are just taking a look at what you have in the syllabus, right? So that was all. अच्छा, आपको बेटा from where can you access the syllabus? Otherwise हम एक बार वो भी चेक कर लेते हैं. हाँ जी, yes or no?
Can you repeat, ma'am?
आपको syllabus पता है ना कहाँ से आप डाउनलोड कर सकते हो?
नहीं जी.
नहीं.
No, ma'am.
चलो अभी देख लेते हैं. See, अभी अगर आप नोटिस करोगे ना सिलेबस में, जैसे they have given these books, recommended books as well for your reference, right? Then they have also given certain marks distribution के possibly कितने की कैसे होगी, all right? And there are these websites also which can be used. I am going to use them, and of course you can also refer to them whenever you need any help. All right, so let me just open the website for you. All right, so here you are supposed to visit the website of Punjab State Technical Education Board, right? So this is the website punjabteched.com. ठीक है, इधर आ जाएगा list of courses. So since I have already been referring to this website, तो ये first इसका ही आया. तो हाँ जी, इधर जब list of courses आ गया ना, तो बेटा आपने select करना है year 2018 onwards, right? So it is NSQF compliant. This is National Skill Qualification Framework. तो जो आपने अगर सुना होगा हमारा स्किल इंडिया मिशन है, जिसमें गवर्नमेंट हैज डिफाइंड कि अगर आपने इतनी पढ़ाई की है तो आपका स्किल लेवल कौन सा है, राइट? सो अभी जो हमारे सारे कोर्सेज है ना वो इसके रूल्स फॉलो करते हैं, इसकी रेगुलेशंस फॉलो करते हैं, इसलिए 2018 के बाद सिलेबस वाज आल्सो अ बिट चेंज्ड. सो आप इधर जाएंगे एंड सिलेक्ट योर कोर्स. So we have civil engineering students here, we have computer science engineering students, and we also have mechanical engineering. So English का सबके लिए common है, right? So this is your common subject, so this is how you reach here. So this is for the first semester, right? So here आपको सारे ये मिल जाएंगे subject codes आपके क्या हैं and कौन से आपके subjects हैं. दिस इज के थियोरी है सब्जेक्ट या प्रैक्टिकल है, एंड दिस इज फॉर द मार्क्स, राइट? सो नोटिस इन इंग्लिश यू हैव 25 मार्क्स फॉर द प्रैक्टिकल एंड 75 फॉर द थियोरी, राइट? एंड दिस इज ट्रू फॉर मोस्ट, जैसे इवन फॉर अप्लाइड फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, यही डिवीजन है 75-25, राइट? So even for your practical we will also prepare one very short file, ठीक है? फाइल का मैं आपको साथ के साथ बता दूंगी क्या करना है, उसमें कुछ मैं ज्यादा काम नहीं होगा, बहुत अच्छी इंटरेस्टिंग एक्टिविटीज होंगी which you are supposed to do and then which you are supposed to show it to me so that you know that is how we are going to check. All right, so ये आपका आ गया मार्क्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन एंड थोड़ा सा कि आपके सब्जेक्ट कोड्स कौन से हैं, सब्जेक्ट्स कौन से हैं, राइट? नाउ मूविंग बैक, now we move to syllabus, right? So now see, अगर मैंने ना ये ऑलरेडी सर्च किए हुए थे तो रिजल्ट्स वैसे आ रहे हैं, अदरवाइज अगर पंजाब टेक्निकल एजुकेशन बोर्ड की वेबसाइट भी खोलोगे उसमें भी आ जाएगा इजीली, राइट? सो अगेन योर्स इज 2018 ऑनवर्ड्स, सिलेक्ट द कोर्स, ओके, कंप्यूटर साइंस इंजीनियरिंग, तो इधर सारा सेमेस्टर वाइज आ जाता है. नाउ योर्स इज फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर, सो दिस इज हाउ, दिस इज यू नो मोर डिटेल्ड, इसमें अब हम ध्यान रखते हैं कि इंटरनल एंड एक्सटर्नल का कैसे डिविजन है, right? So for English you have theory 25 marks internal assessment and practical also 25 marks internal assessment, right? So this marks of theory, these इसके breakdown ऐसे होता है कि आपके 2 MSTs होंगे, right? आप 2 assignments बनाओगे पूरे semester में, then you have marks for your attendance, your class performance, and in you know in terms of practical you have marks for your practical file as well. तो उसका different हर एक के वो होते हैं, वेटेज होती है, ठीक है जी? तो आपका इंटरनल 50 हो गया, जो एक्सटर्नल होगा उसमें आपका थ्योरी का पेपर आएगा 75 मार्क्स का, इट विल बी फॉर 3 आवर्स एंड प्रैक्टिकल विल बी फॉर 25 मार्क्स, राइट? एंड प्रैक्टिकल में यूजुअली आपका वाइवा होता है, it takes around 5 to 10 minutes, not more. So this is for 150 marks. Now notice 150 marks here, and even for other subjects you have 150 each. So English is quite a deciding factor कि आपकी कितनी percentage बनती है, right? How much you score in the final exam. So this is why I would say don't ignore it. Why? क्योंकि कई बार हमारी tendency होती है कि you know आप सोचोगे कि it's not that important और I can just manage it. Don't worry about that. अगर आपको कुछ भी मुश्किल लगता है you can always ask me again to explain it. In हिंदी, पंजाबी, English, I don't mind, कोई भी language हो, right? बाकी आपको पता होगा कि आपके सारे लेक्चर्स ना रिकॉर्ड होंगे एंड वी शेयर देम ऑन यूट्यूब, एंड वो यूट्यूब वीडियो का लिंक हम आपको ग्रुप में रोज शेयर करेंगे, सो दैट अगर आपका बाय चांस लेक्चर मिस हुआ है, आपको कुछ समझ नहीं आया, यू कैन ऑलवेज गो बैक देयर एंड सी द लेक्चर वीडियो अगेन. ऑलराइट, बाकी बेटा आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर अ लॉट ऑफ पीडीएफ्स एज वेल फॉर योर लेट्स से यू नो जो भी हम टॉपिक डिस्कस करेंगे उसके लिए. सो सी नाउ आई चेक द डिटेल्ड कंटेंट्स. तो इधर सेमेस्टर 1 का ये पीडीएफ आ गया, आप इसको डाउनलोड करके अपने पास रख लो सो दैट आपको बार बार ना वेबसाइट ना ओपन करनी पड़े. इफ यू वांट चाहे इसका प्रिंट आउट निकाल के रख लो, राइट? दैट विल बी मोर कन्वीनियंट फॉर यू. तो इधर सारे आपके सब्जेक्ट्स का सिलेबस डिटेल में दिया हुआ है, and some resources have also been mentioned like these websites here, these books. Now of course you're not going to buy all these books, these are just for reference. I'll share the picture of one book which you are supposed to get. All right, so I hope now it's clear to everyone how they can access the syllabus. Hanji, yes or no? Any doubt?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Anything you
Ma'am.
might want to ask? All right, I'm just going to take screenshots for the attendance, or let me just see. So for the civil students, Shine is in the class. All right, let's come back to the class. Hanji, Shine is there in the class? No. Dipanshu?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Shine is here. Dipanshu is here as well?
Present, ma'am.
Wonderful. And Simon, is it Simon? No, he's not here. Krishna? Not here. Ravneet?
Present, ma'am.
All right. Prabjot Singh?
Yes, ma'am.
Then we have Hardeep. Hardeep is not here. Then do we have Tanya? All right. I am just taking screenshots as well for, to be on the safer side so that your attendance is marked. So talking about CSE, Khushi is in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Ashmit,
Yes, ma'am.
Jaspreet, Jaspreet is here. Karan,
Present, ma'am.
Daksh,
Present, ma'am.
Harnoor Singh,
Present, ma'am.
Tushal,
Present, ma'am.
Anjali. Yes, Anjali is in the
Present,
class.
ma'am.
Wonderful. Neetu, Neetu Verma. And do we have Akash? Akash is not here. Sagar,
Present, ma'am.
Suraj Kumar. Then Sarbarinder. Okay, I cannot see Sarbarinder here. Then Poonam is in the class. Poonam is not here as well. Atul.
Yes, ma'am. Present.
Okay, Harpreet Kaur. So, okay, Harpreet is also there. Parminder Singh
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
and Sunil.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now I am talking about the mechanical students, right? So I have Sartaj in the class. So Sartaj is not here. Then do I have Savan Kumar? He's not here as well. Then do I have Prab Simran? Then Sandeep is here, Sandeep Singh. Amit Kumar. Then I have Sagar in Diploma ME as well. Hanji. Then Bhupinder Singh,
Yes, ma'am.
Akash,
Present, ma'am.
Neeraj Pal. Neeraj is not here. Himanshu. Himanshu is not here as well. David
Yes, ma'am.
and Rocky.
Yes, ma'am.
So anybody who's left, whose name I did not speak, please
Ma'am,
let. Hanji, kaun beta? So please mention in the chat whoever is left.
Hello, ma'am.
Hanji beta, anything, any issue?
Ma'am, you don't say my name.
Okay, who was that? CSE mein na?
Mas. Yes, ma'am.
So how do you pronounce your name?
Mas Salmani.
It is Hamad Salmani. All right, so I have made note of that. All right. So anybody else who is left? So I can see Varun as well. I think I did not speak his name. right?
Yes.
So Varun, in
Yes, ma'am.
which stream are you?
Mechanical engineer, ma'am.
Okay, mechanical में ठीक है बेटा, I'll make a note of that. Anybody else who is left? So I hope I have covered everyone, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, wonderful. So बच्चे, any doubts that you might have, anything you want to ask? कुछ आपके doubts हैं about the syllabus, anything about how we are going to proceed, कुछ आपके suggestions हो? Or you want to talk about any of your weak areas which you feel, you know, needs more time? हाँ जी, कोई weak area नहीं है? All right, so अभी ऐसे करते हैं. Why don't you just one by one let me know what you like to do, right? So just a very brief introduction about what you like to do, right? So that means that you have to mention your hobbies. So let's start with Shine. So Shine, am I audible?
Ma'am.
So what do you like to do, बच्चे? अगर आपने, you know, if you want to write in the chat, you can do that as well. So हाँ जी. Yes, Shine. What are your hobbies? I want to know your hobbies now.
Ma'am, my hobbies are like, first of all, I play volleyball,
All right.
and next one is my favorite, swimming.
Swimming.
Yes, ma'am.
Wonderful.
Yeah,
So you're
that's all.
quite into
Yeah.
sports, I believe, right?
Yeah.
That is good. All right. So what about Dipanshu? Yes, Dipanshu. All right. What about Prabjot? Yes, Dipanshu, Prabjot, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Hanji Prabjot. So what are your hobbies?
ना पसंद है और नहीं कुछ खास.
क्या पसंद है?
Singing पसंद है और नहीं कुछ खास hobbies.
Singing.
Yeah, ma'am.
All right. So that is good. And
Yes.
what about Ravneet?
Ma'am, maybe singing.
Okay, so Ravneet also likes to sing. And who is your favorite singer?
Ma'am, Diljit Dosanjh.
Okay, Diljit is your favorite. All right.
Ma'am, मेरा पूछा नहीं है आपने.
चलो आप भी बता दो.
मैं सिद्धू मूसेवाला ही.
अच्छा, सिद्धू मूसेवाला. A lot of Sidhu Moosewala fans in the class? Yes
No.
or no? No. Okay, there are people who don't like him. चलो ठीक है. How about Hardeep? Hardeep is not in the class. Tanya. Tanya is in the class? Okay, Tanya is not here as well. Then let's talk about Khushi. Khushi is in the class? Khushi, I can see your name, but I think you cannot hear me. All right. What about Ashmit?
My hobbies is to play online games.
Online games. All right. Which online game in particular is your favorite?
Minecraft or Fortnite.
Okay, wonderful. Then do we have Jaspreet in the class? No. Karan is there? So Khushi likes to dance. Okay. So do we have Karan in the class?
मैम आप
हाँ जी बेटा, आपकी आवाज नहीं आई क्लियरली, आप चैट में लिख दो। चलो डेविड आप बता दो फिर आपकी क्या हॉबीज हैं।
मैम क्रिकेट, प्ले टू क्रिकेट
ओके।
एट एडवेंचर।
And adventure, so you like traveling, you like to go for trekking?
हाँ जी।
All right. And what about Sunil?
Ma'am, online gaming.
Online gaming. So
Ma'am,
which
my
online?
favorite game Free Fire.
कौन सी है?
Ma'am, Free Fire.
Free Fire? I can't get the name. So if possible, you can write it in the chat for me.
It is a game.
Okay.
फोन में खेलते हैं मैम।
अच्छा नहीं, आप इसको चैट में मुझे नेम बता दो ना, मेरे को नेम आई कुडंट कैच द नेम।
मैम पबजी की तरह है वो भी।
ओके, पबजी की तरह
मैम
है।
कॉपी है।
कॉपी है।
यस मैम, फ्री
तो
फायर।
अभी पबजी अलाउड है इंडिया में कि नहीं अलाउड अभी?
नो मैम,
Ma'am, allowed.
इट इज अ बैन।
अच्छा
मैम
अभी
अलाउड है।
मैम बीजीएमआई है, बीजीएमआई
है चाइना की है, कंपनी चाइना की है, बस उनका सर्वर इंडिया में है।
ओके ऑल राइट, तो फिर अभी काइंड ऑफ पार्शियली अलाउड है।
पहले सर्वर उनका चाइना में था, तो हमारा सारा डाटा चाइना में जाता था, इसीलिए बंद कर दी थी उन्होंने।
इसीलिए उन्होंने बंद कर दी थी, राइट। जैसे इन्होंने आई थिंक एक और थी जो हमारी स्कैनिंग वाली कैम स्कैनर, वो भी इन्होंने बैन कर दिया था। All the Chinese apps they were banned, right? So okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
Daksh has mentioned his hobbies. That is wonderful. Traveling, painting, listening to music, and bike racing. All right. So what about Hamad? Hamad?
मैम आई लाइक प्लेइंग फुटबॉल, हैंडबॉल एंड बास्केटबॉल।
Okay, so all sports: football, handball, basketball. Wonderful.
यस मैम।
So what about Harnoor Singh? Gaming and football. So a lot of students into gaming, right?
यस। नो।
So David, you want to say something? I can see that you have raised your hand. Okay, Dipanshu says cooking and singing. Wonderful, Dipanshu. So what do you like to cook? Any favorite dish? Fast food. All right, that is very impressive to know. What about Tushal? Tushal and Parminder? Cricket and gaming. Okay. What about Parminder, Akash, and Rocky? So you can reply in the chat if you don't want to unmute yourself.
मैम फुटबॉल।
Okay. And what about Suraj? Hanji Suraj. So what do you like to do? Okay, Free Fire is the game. Kabaddi, wonderful. So cooking and dancing. All right. So good to know that few of you are interested in cooking as well. All right. Anybody else who's left and who would like Deepika? Deepika, I think I did not speak your name as well. So I'm writing it in my list. So, all right. Anybody else? Kuch bhi, if you want to share, you want to ask, any doubts you have? No? So, running, exercise, and cooking. Sagar. All right. Wonderful. So I'll just repeat the names of the absentees before I leave. Right. So from CSE, Jaspreet is absent, Neetu is absent, Akash Singh, Sarbrinder and Poonam. All right. Then from the mechanical, Sartaj, Savan, Prabsimran, Sandeep, Amit and Sagar. Himanshu and Neeraj Pal are also absent, right? So Harpreet Kaur likes to draw, paint, sketch and read motivational storybooks. Wonderful, Harpreet. I would like to see one of your paintings, right? Then from civil, Krishna is absent. No, Krishna is present. Simon is absent. Prabjot Singh. Prabjot Singh is absent. Civil engineering.
मैम मैं कहाँ अपसेट हूँ?
हाँ, आप तो present हो. Then did you miss out
बोला
on?
भी था मैंने.
Did you? Okay. Then Hardeep is absent, right?
यस मैम, उसकी फैमिली प्रॉब्लम है, एक वीक तक नहीं लगाएगा वो.
Till when is he unable to attend classes?
यस मैम.
कब तक, मतलब कब तक नहीं लगा पाएगा?
मैम एक हफ्ता.
Okay, okay. चलो.
यस मैम.
All right. So thank you for informing me, Prabjot. So that will be all for today. Anything you want to ask, you're most welcome. ठीक है,
Thank you,
अब
ma'am.
everybody is clear with syllabus. ठीक है, आप खुद अपना जाके चेक कर सकते हो वेबसाइट से. There itself you will find कि आपकी marks distribution कैसे है, internal, external, right? So Karan, thank you for the compliment. And secondly, I'm going to share the name of the book and the picture itself in your group. Okay? In the next class, we are going to start with the syllabus, right? Whichever it is, theory or lab, John se bhi hogi. All right. So enjoy your first day. Let me know if you have any problem because I am also your class in charge. Okay? So you have, if you face any
Okay,
issues
ma'am.
with respect to attending your classes, with respect to any subject, you can inform me. Right? You can leave a message on WhatsApp or you can give me a call. At times I might not be able to attend your call if I'm taking a lecture. तो आप मुझे WhatsApp पे भी मैसेज कर सकते हो. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
चलो. That
Okay,
will be
ma'am.
all. Enjoy your first day.
थैंक यू मैम.
Thank you, ma'am.